Now we will understand the difference between hard skills and soft skills. Question before us is, employers are looking to hire employees who have the right mix of two different types of skills. What are those skills? Answer is, employers are looking to hire employees who have the right mix of two different types of skills, that is soft skills and hard skills. Then what is the meaning of hard skills? Hard skills are those skills that you learn through specialized education or training. It is quite possible that you may have learnt many computer languages, so this is your hard skill. You may have specialization in any other field, which you may have got through special training or through some special technical education. That skill falls in the category of hard skill. Some examples of hard skills are proficiency in industry related software, fluency in a foreign language, medical or scientific knowledge, that is nursing, lab techniques, etc. Then digital marketing, SEO, social marketing, social media advertising, etc. Hard skills are usually teachable. That is, these skills can be taught. These skills are often quantifiable. That is, you can quantify the same. Now, what are the soft skills? Soft skills are the abilities you can apply to almost any position. Whether you are a professional or any other person, you can apply the soft skill to any job which you are holding. Soft skills are typically personality traits and therefore extremely valuable to the employers. Soft skills are also known as social skills. Some examples of soft skills are communication skills, leadership, teamwork, adaptability, problem solving, time management, how to manage the different jobs, how to give time as you have a lot of work to do before you, how to manage yourself, self management. These are all soft skills which you require or which may help you in performing your job, whether you are holding any technical position or a normal position. If you possess many hard skills, it increases your value and competitiveness in the job market. But at the same time, it is also important for you to develop soft skills to communicate, cooperate, and lead in the workplace. Workplace means any place such as office, factory, workshop, studio, shop, plant, where we work. Then these are the 13 useful tips for creating a well-crafted resume. We will discuss the same in our next course. Now this is another important question. How much time do recruiters spend on reading CVs? We will also discuss the same in our next course. Now we will conclude this course. Resume writing is an important part of job search process. Use an effective format. Keep it up to date. Avoid long sentences. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.